Hi everyone, and welcome back to KTB Creates. If you are new here, go ahead and click on that subscribe button so you get to see all my videos. Tap that notification bell so you never miss a notification. I'm excited today that I'm going to share with you some patriotic decor. I'm a little late to the party. I just decorated for Memorial Day yesterday, but these are quick and easy, and it's something you can decorate with through July 4th. This year, I'm showing you all of the pieces that you will need from the Dollar Tree. Very simple. We're going to take these little boxes here. I'm just going to paint them all white. They're really cute. They're the small like shadow boxes with the little pop-out design in the middle. So you need 3 of them. You're going to need, I'm using white Waverly chalk paint, and I'm just going to paint all of the edges white and just a little bit of the inside. You're not going to see the rest of the design on it, so you don't have to paint everything. And then you're also going to need 6 of the wood Jenga blocks, and I'm painting them white as well. So because I'm going to have mine on my front porch, I went ahead and painted the back of each of the sign white, just because if you're sitting in the chair on my porch, you would be able to see the back of them. So this is optional for you, but I went ahead and painted it all white. And you'll see later on with the Jenga pieces, I also painted them white because, again, I wanted it to all blend in. That's optional. You don't necessarily have to do that. And the Jenga pieces are just to give it some extra support to help stand them up. So all you're going to do is take this cute little USA sign from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to rip it apart and detach the USA because we are going to use that and glue them onto the wood frames. So before we go ahead and do that, the actual USA, those little pieces didn't overlap enough to be able to glue it right to the edges of the sign. So you're going to use extra Jenga blocks just to glue that right to the middle of the sign. So you'll need 2 for each sign. So a total of another 6 of the Jenga blocks, and that's just to bump it out a little bit more so you can then glue the little sign pieces to the boxes. So you'll see what I'm doing. I'm doing that right here, and I'm just using hot glue. If you want it to be a lot more permanent, or if it's going to be outside or whatever, you can use E6000 too. But I just went ahead and used the hot glue. And they came really cute. So it's a little bit of like a 3D type of effect. So now I'm just going to take those painted Jenga blocks and I'm just going to glue them on the back bottom of each of these signs. And again, it's just for extra support. I'm going to have these on my front porch, and it gets a little bit windy from time to time. So I just wanted a little bit more support so they didn't blow over all the time. And this is what they look like finished. I think it just adds a neat little patriotic splash of color, and it's just something different. I will show you at the end what it looks like out on display on my porch. So this is the other piece from that sign. We're actually going to use that. I picked up a package of the foam stars at Dollar Tree as well. I want it to cover up these little holes from the string on this little hat. So I just decided to go ahead and hot glue some of those foam stars to the hat, just to give it a little bit of a decorative touch and to hide those holes. So I'm using the wooden skewers from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to go ahead and glue them on the back of this. I did paint them all white ahead of time. And then I'm going to use the pointy end of this skewer, and I am going to alternate the small stars with a big foam star, and I'm alternating colors as well. You could do it however you like. I'm not using the white foam stars because I wanted to save them for a different project. You just have to be really careful when poking these through because they did get a little bit ruined, but not enough that you'll notice them. Because they are only made out of foam. So next, I'm taking this sign that I also got from the Dollar Tree, and again, I am going to just take it apart because we're going to use the stars. Now, I've seen many people have actually sanded down the stars and repainted them, but I'm actually a big fan of glitter, so I am simply just gluing them to the skewers again, and I'm going to use them for my decorations with all the glitter. And this is what it looks like all done and out on my front porch. Like I said, just a little splash of some patriotic decor. Again, I did this rather late. I actually did it the day before Memorial Day. And I just added it to some of my arrangements that I already had out on my front porch. And I think it just gives a cute little splash of color. And it looks really great. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you stop back and watch all my videos. And I will see you soon. Have a great week.